Attitudes, key differences between attitude and behavior. Now, when we talk about types, positive, negative, and neutral attitude, you can see here positive attitude individuals who possess a positive attitude basically are those who actually have a smile on their face. Uh, Predominantly a natural one, obviously, and you need to understand that these are the people who will pay attention to good rather than the good in everything, okay, rather than bad in people, bad in situation or events, etc. They'll not consider a mistake or a failure as a hurdle but as an opportunity. ओके जो हुआ अच्छा हुआ गीता वही मतलब which were religious books we actually have, all the religion make us teach that जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. You need to learn from the mistakes if any, okay, and move forward in your life. So it is only possible with the help of the self confidence, with the help of positive attitude imbibed in optimistic uh, thought process. Okay, that is you actually need to build affirmations. Anyone would like to comment on what is affirmation quickly? We are running short of time.
I
Positive
think
thinking or positive thoughts.
Positive thought, positive thinking. Anything else?
affirmation, I think, means giving agreement, a positive agreement.
Not agreement as such. Agreement comes later, when you think of choices or opinion. So it is before that. Nobody is asking you to make optimism or affirmation. It is to be built by your own self. So it is something which is one step ahead of positive attitude. It is something which is before that. You are in a position to make positive to imbibe the positive attitude within you if you are making affirmations. For example, one of the motivational speaker used to strongly say that when you, it's a rainy season and you want to step out of the house and you want to attend your interview, just imagine, and it's a sunny day, but then you may never know when it is going to start pouring. So you make affirmations when you start your day. Okay, you say that at least by the time I reach that particular interview spot, it shouldn't rain. So strong feeling, you are actually, you know, just close your eyes, make your fist of your, palms, and concentrate, meditate, and make that affirmation that you are going to do the best. This is affirmation. Now having it not raining is not in your hand, and definitely you cannot you don't have control over it, but sometimes it works, they say. Okay, what, it is nothing, there is nothing bad in making affirmations. Sometimes they are fantasies and sometimes they are really boosting your confidence. So there is no harm in making affirmations. Obviously they have to be realistic. You cannot say that a person you love so much who is no more in this world, you need to see that person in front of you. This is not a relevant one, appropriate or a realistic one. Lekin when you talk about rains, it is in middle of that. It may or it may not happen. There is a chance factor which still exists there. Okay, so you need to understand the delineation between fantasies, relevance, and realistic facts. So optimism is only possible if you actually have that affirmative thought process in your mind. You have to be cheerful and happy in any case, whether it is good or bad situation. Happy, fine, it is going on very nice as per your thinking and as per your wish, you become happy. If it doesn't, you become sad. Okay, but then you need to understand that हर दिन हर एक रात के बाद दिन होती है, या whatever feelings, we have to understand that whenever there is something which is not going well, you need to get the cues money indications. You need to learn lessons, okay, and see that your next moment is going to be much better than this. You are able to face the next version of life in a better way. Okay, you need to be sincere and you have to be, responsible. A sense of responsibility, I always say, you need to have ownership of your life. Okay, it is not someone else who's going to actually drive you. That driving force should be you yourself. You have to be अगर कुछ होता है तो you need to understand that you are responsible for that. If you would have done better, you would have won. If you did not, I mean, you did not win, not because the other person defeated you. You need also to understand that it is there, it is something which you just fall short of something that other person did better than you, which you can also do later or in a different way. There are chances of you getting into negativity in such kind of thought process. So you need to be very cautious, and you need to have a sense of responsibility, accountability, and ownership. Negative attitudes, obviously whatever we have said is just obviously a positive of it, and you prone to fall prey of it if you are in an angry mood. It is said that better not take decision when you are angry. Just take a pause, okay, count the numbers you feel, or maybe if you are a left brain person like me, then start singing a song. Okay, so it depends upon whether you are a rational, count the numbers. If you are having a predominantly emotional mind, start singing a good song, obviously. Okay, so your anger should settle down, and then you are in a position to take a very cautious decision. Otherwise you may fail in making a good decisions also, whether it is your personal life or professional. Okay, so ignore the negative attitudes of people having negative thoughts, and in any situation you need to be aware, but you need not invest your time on that. Okay, keeping complaining also is a sign of negative attitude rather than adapting to the change. What I don't have, okay, instead of that, what I have I need to build on that. जैसे एक खाली glass है water, if I fill a glass with a water, ओके, ये यूजुअली अगर ये क्लास होता तो मैं ये एक्सपेरिमेंट क्लास में भी डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन करती. ओके, कि टेबल पे मैंने ग्लास रखा है, उसमें पानी डाला है, और मैं क्वेश्चन पूछती हूँ आप लोगों को.
तुला नाही लागणार ना मला.
हेलो, हेलो, दीपाली, you said something, I couldn't hear.
No, ma'am, it was someone else. I think by mistake unmuted it.
Okay, okay. So if I ask you all, what is the thing you can see in the glass? Most of them would say that you have poured some water in that particular glass. Few of them would come up with the answer that the glass is half filled, and few of them would come with the answer the glass is half empty. That shows the attitude of you, as simple as that. Okay, so rather than looking at something which is empty, why don't you encash whatever is filled? Okay, see the brighter side of the life always, because you can do nothing about something which is empty. You can encash only those things which are definitely within your reach. So encash them, build on them. ओके, सो अब तक हमारा एटीट्यूड कैसे, मतलब ट्रेडिशनली ऑल्सो इट हैज मैटर्ड अ लॉट इन द थॉट प्रोसेस. ओके, जैसे मेरे बचपन में कुछ लोग मुझे बोलते थे कि अरे तुम्हारा मैथ्स वीक है ना, जी जान से मैथ्स की पढ़ाई करना, लेकिन मुझे मैथ्स में करियर बनाना ही नहीं था. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि इग्नोरेंट होके मैंने वो छोड़ दिया, लेकिन आई कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड ऑन मोर सब्जेक्ट्स of language and science in which I was excelling. I did best, and then I excelled further. Okay, so if I would have ignored it and only concentrated on my weaknesses, I am not going to excel in that area kitna bhi kaam karo. So there is a thought process which you need to understand, that you need to change. If you could recall, you can discuss these things with your elder sibling or maybe with your parents कि कैसा रहता था माहौल 10वीं और 12वीं के बच्चों का. बहुत सारे मैथ्स में फेल हो जाते थे, बहुत सारे इंग्लिश में फेल हो जाते थे. नाउ थिंग वाज लाइक उसी का क्लास लगाते थे, उसी के ऊपर पूरा दिन. जस्ट इमेजिन यू हैव वन डे and 90% of the time you invested in something which you are weak on. लेकिन अगर अंदर ही नहीं है तो वो बाहर कैसे आएगा? जैसा यूजुअली इट इज सेड इन मराठी, आई फॉरगॉट दैट फ्रेज फॉरवर्ड, आडात नाही तर पोहरात कसं येईल. It's kind of a word which is used. Pohra mane the thing which with the vessel on the pulley, with the help of which you actually get the water from the well. Okay, pull the water from the well. Now if there is nothing stored in the well, what are you going to get in the that small container? Okay, so what I mean to say is that in a day, 90% of the time you wasted or invested in whatever the way you think it, take it, okay, on the thing which you were weak at, okay, and 10% you invested on something which you are strong. This is the, you know, trap in which you fall when you study also, like even right now also when you are doing your MBA and probably in your jobs and other things, you also may happen to make this mistake that you work so much, 90% of your energy you invest in something which you are on weak, because you have been taught traditionally to work on something on which you are weak, so that you don't fall, isn't it? But then actually when you realize, when you become adults and now when you are becoming mature, you understand that 90% का समय मैंने उसमें गवा दिया जिसका मेरे अंदर हुनर ही नहीं था, तो वो कहाँ से आएगा? Rather than you would have done the other way around. Okay, maybe I would have changed the percentage. 20% I would have invested in the weaker section so that I go through it just for that sake. And maximum amount of time, that is 80% of time, I would have invested in something I'm very good at, and I would enjoy doing it, and I definitely do wonders in that. Okay, so I would have passed with flying colors that way. Okay, I would have excelled. I will be the best in that in which I'm good at. तो ये नजरिया बदलना बहुत important है. So negative attitudes are reflected in when you're angry, when you are having that emotion of hatred, when you're pessimistic, just opposite of optimistic, you're pessimistic. ये नहीं हो सकता, मैं नहीं कर सकता, ये तो ऐसे ही है, मेरे साथ ऐसे ही बिहेव करेगी. You shouldn't be pessimistic. You may result in getting frustrated again. It may be the situation that may lead to frustration, or maybe you are getting frustrated and that's why it is leading to towards having a negative attitude, vice versa. Okay, and you have a habit of doubting every now and then. Okay, so these are the aspects of negative attitude. Neutral ones पडलीच नाहीये कशाची. Okay, okay, complacence means what? आत्मसंतुष्ट, as well as जितना मिल रहा है उसमें सुखी. अध्यात्म में जाना है या फिर you want to get away from all the lively things, then it is fine, neutral attitude. Otherwise, again, I have seen certain students while I was interacting during the admission, काहीच पडलेली नाहीये, ठीक है, सब चल रहा है, ओके, कूल. People with neutral attitude don't give enough importance to situations and events, and then they fail. They ignore the problem, leaving it for someone else to solve. और ऐसे भी होता है कि कभी कभी दे एक्चुअली आर अनअवेयर बाय कॉम्प्लेसेंस. इसका और एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट मीनिंग आप लिख के ले लीजिए कि समटाइम्स यू आर सो सेल्फ सेटिस्फाइड दैट इट विल लीड टू अनअवेयरनेस ऑफ एक्चुअल डेंजर. मतलब मालूम ही नहीं है, you're innocent enough to ignore it. But now, as you are adults, you cannot call yourself as innocent because you are just ignoring. And there, you are vulnerable to actually fall in a ditch, okay, in a problem. Because you're showing complacence, meaning, okay, you are okay, theek hai attitude. Okay, you are self satisfied, but that self satisfaction is endangering you to actually lead, accompanying it with unawareness कि कुछ तो फेलियर होने वाला है आगे. डोंट क्लोज योर आईज. जैसे मांजर डोळे झाकून दूध पितं, माहित नाही की दुसरे बघतायत की नाही त्याला. ओके, हाँ, न्यूट्रल एटीट्यूड चल रहा है, इग्नोरेंस, काइंड ऑफ एटीट्यूड विच पुट्स यू इन ट्रबल लेटर, लेकिन उसका एहसास अभी आपको नहीं है. ओके, so these are some of the traits of neutral attitude, because you're not connected. Okay, feeling of being disconnected, detachment, indifferences, unemotional, these are all neutral attitudes के characteristics. Probably आप खुद को टटोल के देखना जरूरी है. Okay, you need to understand how your characteristics are, how is your attitude. Okay, कि मुझे कुछ नहीं फर्क पड़ता, मेरी फीस तो पापा देते हैं, आई नीड जस्ट टू स्टडी, और स्टडी अपने हिसाब से करूंगा, पास हुआ ठीक है, नहीं हुआ इट्स ओके. दैट इज इग्नोरेंस. That is something you're not, you are trying to have that kind of you know uh, neutral attitude, chalta hai kind of attitude, which is dangerous. Focusing on the positive and negative attitude, you need to strike a balance between having a right attitude. Individuals, I think this is just a summary. I'll move ahead with this. Now, coming to the types of attitude in professional environment, this is something which you may have as an example if a question comes, okay, in a professional environment. Okay, when you talk about types of attitudes, you may consider these examples, such as when I say job satisfaction, it is different than self satisfaction. Okay, because when you talk about job satisfaction, actually it refers to the attitude of employees towards their job, how they regard that, okay, how they respect it and actually achieve what they desire. So job satisfaction is the level of contentment a person feels regarding his or her job, how much satisfaction they are achieving. And please remember, when you're talking about satisfaction, okay, in a job, it could be in the form of promotion, किसी के बारे में वो, you know, type of a work he's getting, assignment he's getting or she's getting, or it could be the salary which or incentives that person is receiving, or it could be the working condition जिसमें वो काम कर रहा है या कर रही है. Okay, maybe organization का culture रहेगा, policies रहेगा, probably that is actually leading to the job satisfaction level. So there would be multiple you know, conditions in which that particular person will evaluate whether he is satisfied in the job or not. Okay, job involvement, degree with which an individual identifies psychologically with his or her job and perceive his or her perceived performance level important to self-worth, whether I deserve it. I get involved in the job and obviously my productivity is enhanced. जितना मैं खुद का potential explore करूँ, खुद का potential मैं कब explore कर सकता हूँ? Once I am actually having that satisfaction in doing what I do, in loving what I actually work on, enjoying my work, getting involved, only then you will be able to enjoy. Okay. Now, these are all psychologically affected factors with respect to job satisfaction. Okay. And this is about our own perception about what are my needs, what are my wants. In the induction session, I mentioned about it. Okay, what are my desires, what are my needs. Okay, and I need to perceive it with what kind of contribution from my side I actually am getting involved in that particular task to accomplish it. Next is organizational commitment, state in which an employee identifies with a particular organization, its goal and wishes to maintain membership in the organization. That is, you are aligning yourself to the workplace where you're working. Okay, so you are committed to whatever you are doing, and obviously it will be a successful venture. Okay, you cannot just disagree with someone because you know they are you know, your perception differs from there, because you are seeing a particular thing from a different angle altogether. Okay, so just because they disagree doesn't mean they are wrong. You need to understand, okay, their perception, or at least understand that the difference is not because you are wrong or they are wrong, or you are actually being projected as someone who is wrong. So it could be a perception difference. So if that person is not understanding, you need to be clever enough to, okay, take a front seat and be a matured person. Learnings. So it is your attitude at the beginning of a task more than anything else that will determine your success or failure. It's your attitude towards life that will determine life's attitude towards you. Despite many people's belief to the contrary, life plays no favorites. Definitely, these are the lessons you learn. You control your attitude. No one else is going to take that ownership, because attitude is something which is defining you and your personality. Okay, it is imbibed within you. So control is in your hand, not in your other's hand. So if you're negative, it is because you are deciding to be negative and not because other people or circumstances are making you that way. So the same applies for positive, isn't it? Act as if you have a good attitude. Remember, action triggers feelings just as feelings triggers action. And there is a saying that give away the world the best you have and the best will come back to you. It is just like that. Okay, जितना आप बुरा करोगे वो बूमरैंग आएगा, वो बूमरैंग इफेक्ट यहाँ पे भी काम करता है. If you do well, definitely good things are going to happen to you. If not now, maybe later in your life. Treat everybody as the most important person in the world. No matter how they respond, you have to be your own self in a controlled manner. So there, in a professional environment or probably in your domestic life as well, you there are ways to change attitude. So whenever a person is having a behavioral problem, okay, the behavioral problem, I know that when you join organization, you may invest your time and money in actually attending the motivational programs in thousands, right? Okay, but now as it is you are been given an opportunity to have this in the class. I expect that you make a point of it, make a note of it. Ways to change attitude definitely is there, because life is 10% what happens to me and 90% of how I react to it. So that's the attitude. Okay, hence we shouldn't grumble upon or keep on cribbing upon ye mere sath hi kyun ho raha hai, because whatever canvas of life is there, we all are sharing the same air, we all are sharing the same space. Okay, now whatever physical differences are there about with what type of home you are staying in, with what type of people you are living with what type of environment you are being a part of it, you have a opportunity and opportunity to look towards it in a different way. Okay, so life is 10% what happens to me and 90% of how I actually take the things. Quickly we are going to go through the slide pack. So the changes, these are the some of the important points. Now this is another slide which probably you may take a snapshot, because in a professional environment you may have this particular chance and opportunity to actually be responsible, okay, to change an attitude of your peer or your subordinate. Probably next in few years when you climb the ladder and become a manager, you may come in a situation wherein this would be a handy tool for you to actually patch up the concerns which are happening within your team. So always give constructive feedback. Now please remember the first and the last point. Last point is that public private display of feedback and corrective actions, these are interrelated. Now usually what is a positive way whenever feedbacks are given? If the feedbacks are positive, it is a good way to actually display it in front of everyone. It's a appreciation kind of a thing, pat on the back. But when you talk about negative, see that you actually talk one on one and not in public. This is a major mistake which all of us do in our routine life, and you do it very innocently, or probably you may not know, unknowingly you're doing it. Just recall your day when probably your parent, one of your parent might have scolded you in front of your new relatives who might have visited at your home, and you felt so ashamed, and you literally bursted, you cried a lot and cursed your parents. Why did you say this in front of others? See, at the child level also you have that ego in you. I would say ego because that is a child wala ego. Okay, wo ego baad mein, okay, parent wala ego and other types of ego which we are going to talk about later also in transactional analysis. Okay, they undergo metamorphosis, they undergo change, they may get evolved or they may get suppressed. So even in that phase of life when we were in quite young, we had, or rather I would say teenagers, we had that kind of a attitude within us. Now when you are actually in a professional environment, obviously you should understand that neither the other people would like something, a behavior to be received from you as a manager or a friend or a peer or a member of that team. So give constructive feedback at the right time. Okay, but obviously too much of it is not good, so definitely adequacy should be maintained. Okay, otherwise that the person may become stubborn if negative feedback का bombarding हो जाए, या फिर बहुत सारा positive feedback display किया तो there would be a wind of favoritism being misinterpreted by your other team members. So you need to be very cautious that adequately at appropriate time you should see that everybody should get that opportunity to be appreciated by their friends or their managers or their peers. Okay, so adequacy is the mantra over here. Okay, emphasis on positive conditions, display yourself as a role model, only then your team members are going to follow you. Provide good information, new information and continuous information. You will be the person most resourceful to be looked upon. Okay, so novel information, fresh, unique information. Why not you be, sharing the thing rather than waiting for your team members always to share? So you need to take that initiative, more or less. You should be judicious to fear. Judicious to use of fear. Any idea what does this mean? प्लीज रिमेम्बर, डर डर होता है ना अंदर, समटाइम्स वो पागल बुआ रहता है, जैसे हमारे बचपन में कहा जाता था कि खाना खाओ नहीं तो फिर कोई आ जाता है, या फिर ऐसे कुछ तो फैंटेसीज के ऊपर हमको डराया जाता था. नाउ प्लीज रिमेम्बर दैट जुडिशियस यूज ऑफ फियर डेफिनेटली is a pointer towards having that fear encashed. Okay, fear can change attitude. Okay, little bit inadequacy, obviously. Okay, so for example, if people are always ignoring you or your things, you may actually give a mild warnings. Okay, so that if this happens, you may be prone to a particular penalty. Okay, that adequate or moderate level fear is required. Okay, and not a high degree, otherwise that person will become stubborn or leave or exit or switch off. Okay, so judicious use of fear. Influence of fear sometimes, definitely, of those who are high performers having high credibility, you can give their references, the or you may also take their help. That can change attitude of those who are actually not working or they are having low credibility. Okay, the co-opting approach. Now co-opting approach basically is another way of changing your attitude, wherein it means that people who are dissatisfied with a situation, uh, you need to actually engage them. Okay, so creatively engaging low performance in doing better and helping them to improvise. Okay, that is, you yourself are helping that person to actually improvise. Okay, so this is regarding the ways of changing the attitude. Quickly we'll go through these slides. Now, attitude is everything. You are what you think about yourself. Now I would like you all to actually uh, see or look within yourself over here. Okay, the way you project yourself, your image, your character, you as a person, accordingly you will be treated by others. So obviously that self confidence should be there within you. That attitude is going to help you. Okay, because your attitude is your window to the world. Okay, or a mirror to the world, you can say. Okay, so that is going to lead you to success and attract people, or uh, whisk them off based on your personality, what you actually reveal. Okay, so you are going to create your own image, and if there are any problems, you may encash them rather and convert them into opportunity. Okay, nobody is going to actually know you as you yourself know better. Okay, so believing in yourself is most important, and you need to always look for a better side or a brighter side. Here are the 7 ways. Quickly we can go through it. Start the day with positive affirmations, as I always say. Focus on good things, however tiny they are. Find humor even in bad situation. Turn failures into lessons. Transform negative self-talk into positive self-talk. Focus on the present and find positive friends, mentors, and co-workers. You need to have a discipline. You need to make a habit of doing it now, not keep on delaying it tomorrow. Tomorrow kabhi nahi aayega. Do it now. Don't make resolution, but you make it as a your habit. Okay, because do it now, because sometimes later never comes, as I just mentioned. Make it a habit. Okay, cultivate that habit of doing it now. Stay away from present biases or preferences where tomorrow always seems easier than today. Procrastination is a disease. What is a procrastination? Anybody would like to comment on that quickly? Yes, friends.
No, ma'am. No idea.
Okay, then I'll take a break over here and take you all to somewhere which I want you all to watch. I want a piece of paper in your hand by the time I do the settings quickly. I want you all to I want you all to come up with a piece of paper. Have you got the paper?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
One more thing,
Yes,
all of y'all
ma'am.
are having either mobiles or this thing. What I'll do, one more better way is that please focus on the chat now. Everybody, please visit this page right now. Please visit this page right now. Give me the indications that you are on this page quickly.
Yes. We are on
Yes,
that
ma'am.
page.
Scroll down and you are getting this particular. I'll just start sharing once again. Is it visible? Are you a procrastinator? Is it visible?
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody is with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Quick yes from all of y'all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
From
ma'am.
all of y'all. You are almost 23. I want 23 yes on the chat. Because I want you all to do this exercise. Everybody. Still some of them are not responding. Quick in the chat, I want yes from all of y'all. There should be almost 20 to 23 yes typed by all of y'all. That will be considered today's attendance. Now this is a surprise for you, isn't it? जो लोग yes बोल रहे हैं उनकी attendance लगने वाली है आज. Quickly in the chat say yes. Now rest of you scroll down and start answering these questions. For each statement, click the button. I don't want anyone to go below. Don't scroll much. Just I want you all to religiously, honestly solving this quiz. For each statement, click the button in the column that most applies to rate yourself by indicating the extent to which each statement is characteristic or uncharacteristic of you. The scale ranges from not like me at all, that is 1, that is the less mark. Not like me is the scale over here. Not like me is first scale, मतलब मैं ऐसा नहीं हूं, तो सबसे कम मार्क वो है, और मैं ऐसा हूं, that is the maximum mark. Okay, that is 5 on the scale of which is 3 is neutral. I want you all to rate yourself. Are you following, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Please start solving it. The first question, I often find myself performing tasks that I had intended to do days before. Click on whichever radio button you feel right. Not like me मतलब मैं ऐसे कभी नहीं करता, बिल्कुल नहीं करता. Not like me कभी नहीं करता. Neither like me or not like me मतलब मैं neutral हूँ. हाँ मैं कभी कभी करता हूँ. And at the end, very much like me मतलब yes, every time I do it. Please be honest with yourself. Nobody is going to see your score, so please do it honestly. These are 15 statements which I want you all to answer. उसके बाद second है when planning a meeting I make the necessary arrangement well in advance. Now this planning need not be only of those who are working, it could be your routine friends meeting or maybe आपकी family meeting है, कुछ भी हो सकता है ऐसे example. So आपका attitude यहाँ पे मुझे चाहिए किस तरह से का होता है, आपका planning कैसे रहता है, उसके लिए आप रेट करो खुद को. अगर आप नेसेसरी अरेंजमेंट इन एडवांस कर रहे हो तो वेरी मच लाइक मी आएगा या लाइक मी आएगा. अवॉइड बीइंग टू मच नीदर लाइक मी और नॉट मी, देन यू विल बी द न्यूट्रल टाइप ऑफ पर्सनालिटी. सो अवॉइड एज मच एज पॉसिबल. लेकिन अगर कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं नहीं ये थोड़ा बहुत तो ऐसा ही है, तो यू कैन से न्यूट्रल. I find that jobs often don't get done for days, even when they require little else except sitting down and doing them. I find that jobs often don't get done for days, even when they require little else except sitting down and doing them. That should be little effort. ये शब्द यहाँ गायब है. ओके, सो इसका मतलब है आई फाइंड दैट जॉब्स ऑफन डोंट गेट डन फॉर डेज. बहुत सारे दिन तक वो मैं नहीं करता, इवन दो उसके लिए छोटा सा एफर्ट की जरूरत है, फिर भी मैं नहीं करता. नेक्स्ट, once I have the information I need, I usually make decisions quickly. Once I have the information I need, I usually make decision quickly. What type of person? Please rate. You're talking about yourself, huh? You're rating yourself. Please remember, आप खुद को analyze कर रहे हो. Sixth question, when I have something difficult to say, to do, I tell myself that it's better to wait to do it until I'm feeling more inspired. ठीक है, और देखते हैं, वेट करते हैं, कीप ऑन वेटिंग. बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, लेट्स वेट. आप ऐसा करते हो क्या? तो उस हिसाब से वो रेडियो बटन क्लिक कीजिए, क्लिक दैट ऑप्शन. I usually have to rush to complete task on time. हमेशा की तरह मैं लास्ट मोमेंट पे 11th आवर का मेरा पैनिक मोमेंट रहता है. अगर ऐसा है तो वेरी मच लाइक मी, अगर ऐसा नहीं है तो नॉट लाइक मी. I usually start a task I am given shortly after I am given it. 9th point है, I usually start my task, okay, immediately आप start करते हो. Very much like me, not like me. Last, 10th, when deadlines are approaching I often waste time by doing other things. आप ऐसा करते हो तो very much like me, not like me मतलब मैं वैसा नहीं हूँ. Okay. I often have a task finished sooner than necessary. समय से पहले ही मैं सब कुछ खत्म करके बैठता हूँ या बैठती हूँ. So accordingly. 12th, when preparing for a meeting, I am seldom caught having to do something at a last minute. Seldom मतलब rarely. Seldom मतलब rarely. Okay, कि मीटिंग है और कोई मुझे पकड़ रहा है लास्ट मिनट का बातें करते, ऐसे कभी होता नहीं मेरे साथ. Seldom मतलब rarely. 13th, I often delay starting tasks that I have to do. शुरुआत ही मैं देर से करती हूँ या करता हूँ. 14th, when faced with a huge task, I figure out what the first step is so that I can get going. बहुत बड़ी टास्क मेरे ऊपर जिम्मेदारी दी है, तो I actually figure out पहली स्टेप क्या होनी चाहिए so that I can start. And the last question is, I frequently say I'll do it tomorrow. मैं कल करता हूँ या करती हूँ. Finish everybody?
Yes,
Those
ma'am.
who have finished,
Yes, ma'am.
click
Yes,
on
ma'am.
calculate my total.
Yes, ma'am.
Click on calculate my total. I want volunteers now. Those who would like to volunteer कि मेरे स्कोर इतना है. Be honest to yourself.
Ma'am, mine is 61.
Yeah, ma'am. 61.
Mine is 65.
Great people in the class. Yes. Who all are these people? किसका 65 था?
Neha here.
नेहा.
60.
Dipali's or
60.
above 60. Okay.
Mine is 61.
Mine is 61.
Finny 61. Okay. Rutuja. So most of you all are getting great numbers. पता है मेरा नंबर कितना था? I did it and mine was 51, less than y'all. See the score interpretation now for yourself. This is a self analysis. I hope the screen is visible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
जिन लोगों का above 60 था, good news. Above 46 rather. From 46 to 75 जिनका rating आया है, you are not a systematic procrastinator. If you do, however, occasionally catch yourself procrastinating over something, follow the link below and the tips are given there how to deal with it. That is a different story. But then you are not prone, you are not vulnerable. लेकिन जिन लोगों का 15 से 30 तक था, 15 to 30, you're a procrastinator and it's not something to be proud of. It means that you miss the deadlines, waste a lot of time. As a result, your boss is not getting from you whatever it is required. Okay, you can also relate situation in your home, kitchen या rather घर में कोई भी काम नहीं सुनता, ये बिल्कुल कुछ नहीं सुनता, अपने ही धुन में रहता है. You're not capable of delivering the tasks. Okay, and he or she is probably very frustrated with this. So this is the interpretation of 15 to 30, and 31 to 45 are the mild procrastinator. There is a chance to improve. Okay, you need to understand better why you procrastinate. There are several reasons for it, and more than that, that may be applicable to you, and you need to learn steps to overcome it. Okay, now ये होता क्या है procrastination? Let's see. I hope the screen is still visible to you all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm in middle of the thing, it gets hanged. Please scroll and come back to the this video. I want you all to watch this video. This is very important. Prioritize your daily tasks. खुद को भी reward करना सीखो. Appreciate yourself also when you achieve them. ये मत करो, ये indicative है. I hope that should be a good start of the day of understanding what is procrastination and how to break it, how to break the procrastination which is there in our mind. Okay, got to know what is procrastination? कामात कुचराई, चाल ढकल करतो आपण, आज नको उद्या, उद्या नको परवा, keep on delaying the thing is nothing but procrastination. Is the most hazardous habit that we may cultivate over time. So you need to get out of it and see that you don't, because procrastination actually is driven by fear and complacence हमने देखा है कि self satisfaction which is ignorant to the upcoming danger. Okay, so you may get a weaker vision and you may get distracted from your goal. So definitely you shouldn't do it now and there itself. Okay, this slide I would take it later on. I will give it to you all to understand the habits in an organization. The last one more video I would like to, I want you all to watch, because today I wanted to finish this topic, but then somehow because of the time, the main slides I would just concentrate on. You need to develop a attitude of gratitude. Okay, 7 rules are there which we are going to talk about. Okay, appreciate, you need to be thankful, appreciate and show it expressively, else it would be as good as a gift which is wrapped and you're not giving it to others. Okay, so if you concentrate on what you have, you will always have more, but if you concentrate on what you don't have, you will never have enough. So you need to be thankful for whatever you have with yourself. Keep educating yourself, this is the key to success. You need to keep updating your knowledge, you need to have that habit and consistency. You need to increase your self-worth, you need to build your self-esteem. Okay, आप एकदम नीचे I won't do it stubbornness से आपको ऊंचा उठना पड़ेगा, yes I did it की तरफ. Okay, you need to climb it and only you are going to do it, no one else is going to do it for you all. Okay, कितना भी बाहरी external environment की आप सोचो, it is the internal factors of you who are actually building your self-esteem. Stay away from negative influences, say no to negative people, negative situations, negative event. Okay, because negative people are afraid of change, they don't want to change, they are rigid. Okay, मैं ऐसा हूँ और ऐसा ही accept करो, तो दुनिया ऐसे नहीं चलती. Positive people are ready to actually come up with new experiences, share them and be ready for a new change. So this is all about the attitude thing which we were talking about. One more at the end, we have just a minute, तो ये 1 minute का I guess video मैं दिखाना चाहती हूँ, and then we will take a break for today for this session.
Basic rules and info. Attitude affects teamwork. Teamwork affects customers.
Is the screen visible?
No, ma'am.
I hope now it's visible.
Yes,
ma'am.
we can see now.
Yes, ma'am.
This is just a minute.
Basic rules and info. Attitude affects teamwork. Teamwork affects customers. Customers affect paychecks. Paychecks affect attitude. This cycle is what makes you successful in business and in life. Everything starts and ends with attitude. So when you are driving through a community where you work, know that you are a leader and a person in charge. You will be judged by how fast you drive, where you park, and what condition you keep yourself and your vehicle in. Is this fair? Of course not, but it is what happens to people in authority positions. Start your job each day on the right foot. Ask yourself these questions. I care, so where do I park? I care, do you mind if I smoke? I care. Do you mind if I use my cell phone while on duty? I care. Do you mind if I am not in uniform? I care. Do you mind if I have a friend visit me? I care. Do you mind if I compromise safety? All of these questions lead to simple answers. We all know right from wrong. We know we are here to do a job and to do that job with excellence. So remember that the decisions you make matter. They never go unnoticed, and they never are overlooked. Decisions lead you in a direction that makes us a team that affects customers, which affects our paychecks, and in turn affects our attitude. 'Cause attitude is a decision, and we want to make a good one.
Okay, so I leave you all with this thought of having a positive attitude and affirmative start of the day. Okay, so have a great day ahead. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.